talk. Chanel talk. Chanel talk. Hey Chanel, what you talking about?
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. So I'm going to do a purple cut crease tutorial, and I'm using the new Morphe 35M Boss Babe palette, and this is how the inside looks. So I am going to start with this color here as my transition color. And I already have my eyes primed, my brows done, did my foundation, and the lip I have on Lorac Pro. The color is Aubergine. I don't know. It'll be in the description box. Brush cleaner that I got from BH Cosmetics and clean my brush off because I want to use this brush also for the next color. Now I'm going to take this color here. I'm going to blend that into my crease. To take my concealer brush, and I'm using this NYX eyeshadow base to cut my crease. mix finishing powder and set. I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to spray it, some finishing spray. And I do this for all my shimmers. It just makes the application easier. It picks up more of the shadow. And I'm going to take this purple right here. Take that crease color and go back in my crease just to define it just a little bit more. Like so. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with this dark purple for my outer corner. And I'm just packing that on, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm gonna take a smudge brush and I'm gonna go in with that transition color first and smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the lid shade and do the same thing. I'm going to take the outer corner color, do the same thing. So I'm going to put my lashes on off camera and add some highlight, and I'll be back with the finished look.